Hello, how are you? This is Dr. Donat. I'm going to invite you to come to my office for or new facilities for you. Come in, follow me. This is our new facilities office, dental office for you. Uh, all the office is very high technology and very high quality. Come in, follow me. You can see this is our waiting room. We can receive you here, and you are very welcome when you come with us. This is our tea bar. You can take one tea at the meantime you are waiting for your treatment. Here, this is the reception, the front desk. She is Andrea, our beautiful receptionist and assistant.
Hi, welcome to Donat Dental.
Now, all the people come to this office. It's necessary to go inside the treatment area, but first you need use the shoe covers in your feet for go inside, because that area is really clean area for our patients. I'm going to put my shoe covers, and then we are ready. Come in, follow me inside. Here, this is our front desk receptionist. She's Andrea, and I'm going to show you our cleaning room or sterilization room. Here, we can clean and sterilize completely all the instruments inside this special autoclave for clean perfectly, completely our instruments for you. And next, I'm going to show you here. This is our restroom. You can go inside if you need. When you are here, it's very clean, very accessible for any people, including if you have a chair, wheelchair, you can come with us. Follow me here. This is a one-chair room, and we make here different treatments, especially very aesthetic porcelain veneers. You can see in the screen we have computers in all the rooms, and we have very clean our facilities for you, and you can see no necessary touch. We have the light here, and next to this room we have our small dental laboratory here. We can to do here some adjustments in your processes or different process for clean or give the polish to the dentures, whatever. Come in. This is our next room. This room is one for surgeries, for surgeries. We have a very nice equipments, high technology for your surgeries, monitors and motors and electric scalpels here, laser for your treatments too. And we can to do here different surgeries like wisdom teeth surgeries, and you can continue with us very confident. Come in. Our next room here, we can to do here braces for your kids or for the people, and we change here all the restorations, amalgams, removing the amalgams, and can to do the white fillings for your comfort, and you have very nice smile, very nice mouth, really functionally. Go to the next room, go with me. This room, we can to do here implant surgeries, and we can complete the mouth with special implants, and we can fix completely all your denture fixed in your mouth. No necessary plates in these cases. We have very clean areas, especially very material, very clean here. Many instruments for you. and we can receive you here. You are very welcome. If you want come and know more about us, you are very welcome. We want to do your treatments. We want your family dentist. Welcome to Donut Dental.